Good morning, guys. We are back on Hong Kong Island. I am heading to go and do some shopping. I need to grab some new shoes. My current Nikes are worn out. I've only got a couple of pairs that I travel with, and I pretty much wear them until they get worn out, just to save space and weight. So I'm going to head to the Nike store, or one of the shoe stores, and grab some shoes. Head to an electronics store. Apparently it's one of the biggest on Hong Kong Island. I just want to check out some of the gadgets I've got. And then later on tonight, I am intending to head over to Shenzhen, which is in the China mainland, and I need to cross the border and go through immigration as well. It's a shoe shop here. I see a Nike shop just ahead. Well, I've decided to get these Nikes. Good size for me. Been rocking the new Nike boots, and they're a bit strong, which is good. I need them for my walking and all my traveling. And stuff is pretty cheap today. Like, I picked up these Nike boots for like $60 New Zealand. They're size 12, which is pretty good. And there's a lot of specials going on today, so I need to hit the electronics store, check out some of the gear there, gadgets, and hopefully I can get up some good bargains. Gadgets. Alright guys, I'm now having some lunch at one of these restaurants here in the heart of Hong Kong. Pretty much got a vegetarian rice meal with some kind of sprout looking stuff. I am on the island of Kowloon here in Hong Kong. I am heading to a rail line train that heads up to Shenzhen in China. I need to get to the Laowu border and then cross into Shenzhen. I'm there for a few days. It's a beautiful day here today. Looks like immigration up ahead. Visitors. Alright guys, finally through customs and immigration here in Shenzhen. Bit of a process, takes about an hour and a half. You've got to go and get a visa at one part of the immigration, then you've got to take it down and go through all the different aisles and checking through. It's just a bit of a process. Anyway, I'm here in Shenzhen, and I'm gonna go catch my transport, head into the city, Yeah, meet up with a couple of friends tonight. Alright guys, managed to sit down at a restaurant and grab one of these vegetarian soups. Bit of mushroom noodles, corn, lettuce, bit of everything actually, and it is delicious. Put on a bit of chili, not too hot, just right, just the way I like it. Anyway, after this I'm gonna head to my friend's place.